Hey everyone, Sycra here, and I got a request from someone who was asking if I could show how to draw the Sycra logo. And, and it's actually pretty simple, so I'll walk you through it step by step. So the first step is to draw a circle, and then, and I'll use different colors for each step. And then the second step is to draw two ovals, so like that shape, like a flat circle. And if you imagine like this circle is broken down into quadrants, then it would sort of go over this slightly, so you'd get that, something like that, where the middle of this is within this circle, and then the same thing on the other side, where it goes slightly, so it goes a bit over here past the middle, and it goes a bit over the edge there. And then you will draw another circle in the middle, and this one, it's just important that it peeks through these two ovals. So like here and here, you want that showing. And then finally, you just need a line connecting these 2 points. So where the green part of the oval is meeting that red, just want to put a point, and then on this side here, you want to put a point and then just connect those two. And pretty much that's it. So then I can just take, a darker color, and I can outline this. And then outline that circle in the middle, and then those two connecting lines. And there you have it, the Sycra logo. She left me the other day 'cause I didn't bring home the pancakes.